My name is Jessica, and welcome to the Music Workshop with Different Dynamics. Bucket drumming is a fun and simple activity that you can do with your entire family. Start by picking out your drum. I like to use 5-gallon buckets, but if you don't have that many, you can use anything like pots or different containers and things just lying around your house. Next, pick out your drumsticks. I have 2 drumsticks here, but if you don't have drumsticks, you can use wooden kitchen spoons or pencils or paint stirrers, chopsticks, whatever you have lying around your home. And if holding any type of stick is a little too challenging, that's okay. You can play your bucket with your hand, and you can also play it with your feet. Once you have your drums picked out, I like to start by exploring all the different sounds. So on my 5-gallon bucket, there are 4 sounds that I like to use. The first one is I like to play on the side of the bucket, the top of the bucket, and the rim of the bucket. Oh, I forgot. I can also click my sticks together. No bucket needed. Now, when I normally play my bucket, I would keep it on the ground, but I'm going to have it in my lap today so that you can see it too. You can use a simple imitation game to explore the different sounds on your buckets together. It's so simple. The instructions are do what I do. So as the adult, you go ahead and start, and everyone else is going to imitate you. For example, I might want to start by alternating my hands, drumming on the top of my bucket. So I would do this until everyone else is imitating me, and we're doing it together. Then I might switch. Maybe just right stick on the rim. And I'd wait till we were doing it together, and then switch up. Oh, maybe I want to do unicorn. Do what I do. Okay. So after that game, the next thing I move on to is just steady beat. Put on your favorite song, start dancing around the house, get your sticks, get your drum, and play along, play a steady beat. Anywhere on your drum. Now, you might notice that my drum has some different colored felt on it. I do this for 2 reasons. The first is bucket drumming can get a little loud. By putting the felt on it, it helps to dampen the sound. It also allows me to create different rhythmic patterns using just colors. So play the red square, play the green, play the black, red, black, green, green, black. I can also take colored squares and things like that and create patterns on the floor with the different colored squares and then try to play them on my drum. Here's another one I love. When I want to create different beats, I like to use different phrases. For example, could really go for some ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. Pretty simple to say. Put my bucket here for a second. Next, I'm going to click my sticks and say it. I love chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. Now I'm going to click my sticks, and I'm not going to say it out loud. I'm going to say it in my head. Now I'm going to take that sentence, I love chocolate ice cream, and decide where I want to play it on my bucket. You can do that with any sentences that you want. There are so many things that you can do with a bucket drum. Make sure you check out some of the bucket drum play-alongs that are on YouTube. In fact, I've put one of my favorite ones on the accompanying activity sheet for this video. Until next time, have fun making music.